Hello everyone, welcome back to the Avis YouTube channel. Welcome back to the Prep AI series part 2. In this video, we are going to ask or AI will ask me interview questions based on the SQL. So let's jump into this video and see how it's going to work. Prep AI itprofessionalschool.com. Now come to this interview part. Now we are going to use a live interview for this video. So I'm going to click on the live interview. Here are the quick setup you need to do first. So you can upload the new resume or you can work on the selected resume. I will go with the second one, which I've already uploaded my resume. And then I'll say use the AI questions. So basically AI will create the questions for me, or I can upload my custom question if I have. Now, general question, let's say the job title, I want to target the SQL developer for this one. That's the job description. I have a one real job description, one of the company I've searched on online, and let's paste the job description as a real one and click on the start the interview. Now just wait for the processing time. Now click on the start interview.
Hello, Nawid. It's great to meet you. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today. To start off, I'd love to hear more about your experience with SQL. Could you share an example of a challenging SQL query you optimized and what the outcome was?
I worked on Ola data set where I've optimized their processing timing of getting reports from the data warehouse into their reporting in the Power BI.
That sounds like a significant project, Nawid. Optimizing the data processing for reports in Power BI must have had a notable impact. Could you describe the specific steps you took to optimize the SQL queries? For instance, did you focus on indexing, query restructuring, or perhaps using certain functions to improve performance?
I focus on joins and the querying filtering part. Okay, so using necessary joins will reduce the most of the time to searching in that entire table and filtering the main column which I want in my report. So that give me the boost around 30% in the optimizations to get an output in the reporting.
It's impressive that you achieved a 30% improvement in performance. Focusing on optimizing joins and filtering is crucial for efficient data retrieval. Could you also share how you ensured the accuracy and reliability of the data as you worked on these optimizations? For example, did you implement any validation checks or testing procedures to confirm the report's accuracy?
And for the report accuracy, I use indexing on two columns so it could scan the data fast rather than if you have 1 or 2 million records. So it significantly give me the result in a faster way comparing to the normal query.
Indexing is a powerful technique to improve query performance, especially with large data volumes. It's great to hear that it helped you achieve faster results. As a follow-up, how do you typically handle situations where the data requirements or the underlying data structure changes? For instance, how do you ensure your SQL queries and indexes remain effective and efficient over time?
I got a one output from one query. I try to write another query output and try to check whether the two queries output I'm getting the both the same, which one I'm getting faster. So based on that, I followed the all the SQL commands.
It sounds like you have a solid approach by comparing the outputs and performance of different queries to ensure accuracy and speed. Regularly testing and validating your queries is key to maintaining efficient performance, especially as data and requirements evolve. If you encounter performance issues in the future, do you have a strategy in place for diagnosing and resolving them?
Yes, I follow a particular structure in the SQL in order to identify that issue in the query and try to get optimized way to get a faster result and get a more accurate.
That's a great approach, Nawid. Having a structured method to diagnose and optimize SQL queries ensures you maintain both performance and accuracy. If you ever face a particularly challenging performance issue, do you also consider leveraging tools like execution plans or performance monitoring to identify bottlenecks?
Yes, I always do performance monitoring my what are the issue in I have where the query is lagging behind in order to issue the problem. What else we can do? I can incorporate with the other SQL developer to optimize the queries as well.
It's excellent that you're proactive with performance monitoring and collaboration. Working with other developers to review and optimize queries can provide fresh perspectives and solutions. Additionally, you might consider periodic database maintenance tasks, such as updating statistics, rebuilding indexes, and optimizing database configurations to ensure continued performance. Staying updated with best practices and advancements in SQL optimization can also help you continuously improve your skills and techniques.
Now, once I've given the interview, you need to wait. It's creating a report for me, so let's just refresh it. Now, once you have waited, you will see that this AI will create a report for me. So if you click on that view report, now it's giving me what are the score out of 100, and these are the feedback, and it's giving me rating out of 100. What are the technical skill, communication skill, problem skill, job knowledge, and the profilism, and these are the rating is giving me based on that. And if you click on the detail, in this detail you will find out what are the answer that I gave and what is the ideal response you should get in order to get more accurate response. And in the coach part you can ask any other questions that are related to the interview. So that is the most interesting part of this AI that I've loved about. And if you have any doubts, any questions, please feel free to drop in the comment blocks and drop what is the next topic you should want to do a mock interview. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for the watching video. I'll see you in the next video.